In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into SalesForce. Whether you're new to SalesForce or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the SalesForce login page. You can do this by going to your web browser and typing in the URL login.salesforce.com. Once you've reached the SalesForce login page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should see fields for your username and password, as well as options like Remember Me. Now, let's focus on the username field. This is where you'll enter your SalesForce username. Move your cursor to the username box and click to activate it. Now, carefully type in your username. Be sure to double-check your entry for any typos, as incorrect details will prevent you from logging in. Next, we shift our attention to the password field, which is just below the username entry. Click on this field to select it. When entering your password, remember that it is case-sensitive. This means that uppercase and lowercase letters must be entered exactly as they appear in your password. Take your time to enter your password accurately. Once your username and password are entered, there's an additional feature you can use called Remember Me. This option is typically a checkbox and can be found just below the password field. By clicking on Remember Me, you're telling SalesForce to store your login information on this device. This means that the next time you visit the SalesForce login page from the same device, your username will already be filled in for you. While this can be a handy feature for personal or trusted devices, be cautious when using it on shared or public computers to protect your account security. With both your username and password entered and the Remember Me option selected, you're ready for the final step. Look for the Login button, which is usually located just below the Remember Me checkbox. When you're sure that all the information you've entered is correct, go ahead and click Log In. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into SalesForce. This straightforward process is the gateway to accessing your SalesForce dashboard, where you can manage your customer relationships, analyze data, and do so much more. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your SalesForce login experience easier and more intuitive.